Alright guys, my normal followers, you don't have to watch this obviously, but I wanted to make this video because I'm pretty frustrated right now. I'm installing a remote start on my girlfriend's Nissan Rouge. It is a 2014, but it is like a 2013. I think it's 2008 to 2013. The body control module you need to connect your lock and unlock to, and a couple other things. Everything that you look at online says that the body control module is behind the dash and the gauges. It is not. Don't even bother taking that damn thing apart because it ain't fucking back there. It is behind your glove box. There's 4 or 6 bolts you take out. There's like 8 bolts you take out. There's 2 silver ones on the bottom. There's 4 of them when you open the door, and then there's 2 of them real deep, like inside the glove box. And then this whole thing comes out. Once you get that whole thing out, the body control module is up here. Hold on, let me turn my flashlight on. There we go. The body control module is this black box right here, and it's on this bracket. You pull this bracket out, the whole thing comes out, and then you can get to the wires you need to get to. This was really frustrating. I searched online for an hour. I tore the entire driver's side of this thing apart because everything says it is behind the dash, behind the gauges. That is not where it is. Do not believe them. Watch my damn video and save yourself about an hour. Here it is after you take the bracket out. You literally just, it's in there something like this. Yeah, it's up in there like this. You just take the 4 screws out, you pull it out. Boom, there's your connectors for your body control module. This was super frustrating. Save yourself an hour. Watch this video. It's the only freaking one on YouTube because apparently nobody's ever done this before in their freaking life. So, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Check out my other projects. I love Nissans. See you next time.